In almost every network, NTP is a strict requirement for both troubleshooting and security policy information. But it's often overlooked on how to validate and verify that NTP is configured properly and running and in sync across the environment. NetQ provides a NetQ check NTP command to do just this. In this instance, we can see that our device Spino 1 is not in sync, and the clock on that device cannot be trusted. This could have huge implications when it comes to looking at security log auditing. But one of the things that we might want to do is understand, when did this start? So we can look back in time and see, what did the NTP check look like 10 minutes ago? And we can see that 10 minutes ago, all devices in the network, those same 13 nodes, were all synced and NTP was working properly. So now we know where to go and start our investigation on why NTP is out of sync.